Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be building in the Fractal North case. I was very keen to build in this case as I think it's one of the most beautiful cases out right now. I love how they've created an open front but they've added the real oak panels. It adds such an amazing stylish detail. I went for the glass panel so I could see the components inside, but you can get a mesh side panel as well that matches the top. This case is also designed for motherboards up to ATX. I'm also planning to use a lot of white components because I feel that this will look really nice and contrasting with the front and the black inside. Let's have a look at some of the hardware that I'll be using. For the motherboard, I chose the NZXT N7 Intel Z790 with the white cover. I thought this board would complement the case. I really do love white builds, so I picked this ROG STRIX RTX 3080 because I thought this was beautiful and perfect for the build. The processor I wanted to use is the 13th gen Intel Core i5, works great with the board. I've not built using an air cooler before, but I picked the T120 RGB by NZXT in white. For additional fans I wanted to use the same one so it matched, so I've got the F120 RGB and F140 RGB. For storage I picked Kingston Technology KC3000, and then for RAM I used the Delta RGB DDR5 in white. I think these are going to look great. The power supply I have chosen the Corsair RM850X, great for low noise and efficiency. Let's get building! Overall, I love how this build came out, and it was such a nice case layout. I'm glad I did white components as I feel it complements the case. What did you guys think? Please like, comment and subscribe.